Hi Rebels, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be yet another hair tutorial. Special shout out to Kiss Love Hair for partnering with me for today's video. They sent me over a wig. Along with my wig, I received a nude stocking cap, some 3D lashes, an edge band with the company's name on it, a rat tail comb, a hair clip, an edge brush, and a little shaping razor. The wig they sent me is their 26-inch pre-colored reddish-brown frontal wig. This is the body wave texture, but as you can see, it comes with these really tight curls. The frontal parting space on this wig is 13 by 4, and the wig is 250% density. So it's really full. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on, and this is what it looks like right out of the box. This wig did not come pre-plucked, so I will be plucking and customizing this wig before installing it. I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see how long it is if I pull the curls down. It is 26 inches and I am pretty short, so it comes pretty far on me. So now I'm going ahead and putting my wig on my mannequin head, and to secure it on the head I'm using these T-pins. Just going ahead and sticking those in the side of the wig, and then I'm going to start plucking and customizing my wig. Once I finish customizing the lace, this is how it looks. I styled it with a side part, and I also took the hair out on the sides that I'm going to be using for my baby hairs. I'm just going to take the little shaping razor that they sent me and cut the lace off around my ears just to make sure it fits securely around that ear area. To install this wig, I'm going to be using the Ebon Wonder Lace Bonding Spray. Y'all know I use this in almost every video. And I'm just spraying that around the front perimeter of the lace, around the hairline area, and then using my comb to press the product in. Once the lace is secure, I'm just going to go ahead and take my edge band, and I'm just going to tie the lace down with that just to help it melt in a little bit more, a little bit faster. As you can see, I'm combing through those initial curls that the wig came with, and it actually has like a really good wave to it, a really good curl already. So I will not be fully styling this hair. I am going to keep the wave that it came with. The ends of the hair are a little dry, so I'm going to end with my BioSilk hair soakening oil, and I'm rubbing that all throughout my hands and then rubbing it in the hair just to give the hair a little shine, take away any frizz, and also get rid of those dry ends on the hair. And as you can see, it really did make a huge difference. So here you see me just combing the product in, making sure that the hair is completely saturated with that product. And this is pretty much all the styling that I'm going to do to this wig, guys. I'm going to add 2 curls to the front of the wig and then 1 curl on the other side. Like I said, this hair came with a really nice curl right out of the box. So I literally am just going to keep the curl that it came with because I think it's really pretty. But just so that it will have that, you know, look that I wanted to have, the curls going backwards in the front, I just added those curls to the front part. So as you can see, I just took my lace band off, and my lace is pretty melted in, so I'm taking that same shaping razor and I'm just cutting my lace off of the wig. Once the lace is off, I have to tint it, y'all, because y'all know I'm a dark brown skin girl. I want the lace to match my skin complexion a little better. So I'm using the MAC finishing powder and I'm just adding that around the lace where I feel like it's too light at. Going in and cutting my baby hairs a little shorter and then taking my small flat irons and curling it backwards. I noticed that when I curl it backwards, guys, I get a better result with my baby hairs. So that's just a technique that I've been doing lately. And now taking my ebon edge control and laying down those baby hairs and then just spraying them so that they don't move and they don't go nowhere. So yeah, once I'm done with that, guys, this is pretty much the finished look. The curls are done. It looks really cute. Baby hairs are done. I think it's giving like Jessica Rabbit with the color. I don't know, y'all let me know. But definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. All the details to this wig will be down below in my description box. I love you guys so much and thank you a million for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Make a